Okay, say hello. It's okay. Okay, this is happy birthday to Kathy, right?
Happy birthday, Kathleen!
Catherine.
It's gonna hurt. Spin us around.
Whoa. How can you? He's gonna get sick. Cool. Okay, say hi. You know what? Gabby would like to say hi to Gabby.
Hi, Gabby!
She would like this.
Only one hair!
She would love it.
Oh God! Guys, I'm gonna do no hander. No hander! No hander!
Okay, you want me to?
No hander!
Okay, you want me to do it real high?
No! No handering! No, we're not doing it high.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, my phone's getting wet.
Is it?
I got it. Oh, it's good.
Oh God! Stop painting my face!
Well, you don't have.
Say happy birthday to Kathy.
Uh-huh.
Tell Catherine happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Catherine! Boat!
Tell Catherine happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sweetheart!
I left this out a little late. We could have had the whole. Hey, look it! I'm going to plant these later. That's why I got
That's a great idea.
Yeah, that's a. Okay, I got this out a little late. It's all empty tables.
Oh, hi!
Okay, say happy birthday to her. Got it. Remember when I took. Remember. Oh, that's it. Remember when I took this and you guys didn't know. It was
We didn't know. Do this.
Okay, so we're about to do
Okay,
crud.
Okay, I can't wait to do crud. Okay, let me go get the stuff.
I got towels. I got 3 towels.
What are you doing? I got something there. I don't know. What is it? Quit talking.
Okay. Hey, Bob Ferguson said he said nobody's gonna eat this.
Are you insane?
Crazy. He's crazy because it didn't look you know my usual. So tell your mom happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh no. You know how old she is?
44.
Remember we talked 44. 44 and shut the door.
44 and shut the door.
I don't know. What rhymes with 4? I love you more.
44 passed out drunk on the floor.